Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best digital otoscope is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've reviewed this year. This tiny device lets you peer deep inside your ears, giving you a crystal clear view of what's going on in there. Whether you're curious about earwax buildup, or just want to keep an eye on your ear health, this otoscope is a game changer. Stick around as we dive into the features, performance, and overall value of this nifty little tool. Number 5. Bebird R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the Bebird R1. This innovative tool lets you see inside your ears with a high-definition camera. It provides a clear view of your ear canal, making it easy to remove wax. The R1 features a 1080p HD camera with a wide-angle view and 6 LED lights. This allows you to see every detail. The high resolution ensures you don't miss anything. Connect to the Bebird app via Wi-Fi. You can see a real-time view on your phone or tablet. It supports taking pictures and recording videos for easy ear care. This device is designed for both examination and cleaning. It comes with multiple replacement tips. You can easily remove both oily and dry earwax with it. The Bebird R1 isn't just for ears. It can also be used for your nose, teeth, and throat. It includes observation kits for various uses, making it a versatile tool. What we like. This product boasts a wide-angle 1080p HD camera, ensuring you see every detail. It's not just for ears, it's a multi-use tool for nose and throat too. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution for your family's ear, nose, and throat health, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera quality is clear, the app connects quickly, and it makes it easy to see exactly what you're doing. The tool itself is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and the tips are gentle enough not to cause irritation. Easy to assemble and figure out, and the app was the easiest to connect. I'm able to see inside my ear and mouth. Number 4. Bebird Earsight Plus R37 Ear Cleaning Kit. This flexible otoscope is designed to fit the natural curves of your ear canal. With its waterproof, dustproof, and anti-fog HD camera, you'll get a clear view. Safety is the top priority. The soft silicone coating ensures no scratches or discomfort. The built-in safety scale and protective stopper prevent over-insertion, keeping your eardrums safe. These precision tweezers with a camera gently remove ear wax without touching your skin. They are perfect for sensitive ears. If you hate water in your ears, this is the solution. This all-in-one set is perfect for home and travel. It includes 4 types of cleaning tips, suitable for both wet and dry ears. Plus, it includes an ear, nose, and throat checkup kit. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it's fun to use. Adults will love the stress relief, and kids will be fascinated. It's fun for the whole family. Carefully crafted for long-term use, this product delivers reliable, high-level performance. If you encounter any issues, we're here to support you. What we like. The flexible design of this product is tailored for your ears, ensuring a comfortable fit. The soft silicone coating and safety features keep you safe, and the pain-free tweezers make cleaning a breeze. If you hate water in your ears and want a gentle, pain-free clean, you should consider this. What people say. This is a smart ear cleaning tool with a built-in HD camera that connects to your phone for clear, real-time viewing. The 1080p HD camera is crystal clear, and it connects easily to my phone through Wi-Fi, no lag or glitches. The image quality for something so small is remarkable. Number 3. Ear Wax Removal Kit with 1080 HD Ear Camera. This kit features a unique nozzle design with both 5-hole and 1-hole options, providing different water pressures. It effectively removes earwax, dirt, and debris, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. The 1080p HD ear camera with 6 LED lights allows you to monitor the ear canal during irrigation. It includes 3 different radiant ear scoops, and you can choose the one that suits you best. Remember to attach the silicone ear scoop before use. This ear wax removal tool with a camera lets you clean your ears at home. It saves you trips to the doctor and avoids expensive medical bills. It is a convenient solution for maintaining ear hygiene. The soft silicone nozzle is safe for all ages. Children should use it with family supervision. This earwax removal kit and otoscope with light makes the cleaning process safer and more hygienic for you and your family. The camera ear spoon is included in the package. Please open the package and take it out for use. This ensures you have everything you need for effective ear cleaning. What we like. This product features a safe and effective lavage kit with a unique nozzle design. The 1080p HD camera allows you to monitor the cleaning process. If you want to thoroughly clean your ears at home and avoid expensive medical bills, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera and the light are great. The picture quality is very good. The ear wax removal tools are very helpful. Number 2. AnyScope HD Ear Camera for iPhone and Android. This innovative ear camera allows you to get a clear view of your ear canal. It's easy to use and helps you capture photos and videos to share with others. The device works seamlessly with Android and iPhones. Just make sure your Android device supports OTG and UVC functions before you start using it. View images in full screen or split screen mode for easy comparison. This feature helps you monitor your ear health effectively. With the included speculum and adjustable protection cover, it ensures safe ear wax removal. Remember to attach the silicone spoon and speculum securely before each use. The 0.15-inch diameter lens provides easy access to the ear canal. This allows you to safely examine your eardrum. This is not a toy. Keep it out of reach of children under 12. The device is not intended for diagnosing or treating any medical conditions. What we like. This product offers wide compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. You can easily capture photos and videos to share with your family. If you want to monitor your ear health and share the images with others, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It works with either an Android or Apple phone, no pairing, just plug it in. The camera on this gadget is super clear. It's small, comes with attachments and fits all in a box the size of a sunglasses case. It's not flimsy and I believe it should last a good long time. It doesn't require batteries or charging, it connects via the phone charging port. There are 2 adapters for the power cord, one USB-C and one for Apple. The directions are concise and easy to understand. Number 1. ScopeAround Digital Otoscope with IPS screen. This digital otoscope has a clear IPS display. You can check your ears instantly without connecting to a phone or app. Just power it on and see everything in real time. The high-resolution camera and integrated IPS screen work together. It delivers sharp, true-to-life images. You can see fine details of the ear canal clearly. The 3.9mm slim lens is designed for comfort. This makes inspections easy and gentle for everyone. With 6 LED lights and 3 brightness levels, it ensures safe, clear viewing every time. The detachable lens and extended cable let you inspect your own ears or help others comfortably. Whether for ear wax removal or routine checks, it is perfect for personal and family care. Take clear photos or videos and save them on the included 8 GB memory card. It's great for tracking progress or sharing with professionals when needed. What we like. This product has a built-in screen, so you don't need to connect to your phone. The high-resolution camera and IPS screen provide clear details. If you want a simple, easy-to-use otoscope for the whole family, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Absolutely love this, helps my toddler see what I'm doing. She doesn't like her ears messed with, but with this she gets to help and it calms her down. Also has a pretty clear picture. Love this. My doctor was even impressed. I even sent her the picture of both ears. Started on meds. I could watch as it healed. I absolutely love I could take the pictures by myself since I didn't have someone to look at it. I could look at it real time and take my own pictures. You can see the bad ear and the good ear. I took those pictures. Not someone that knew what they were doing. It was even something an elderly lady could do. Technically not over even my head. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.